Salma Hayek and her look-alike daughter Valentina both dazzled at the premiere of Salma's latest movie and Marvel Cinematic Universe debut Eternals. Valentina Paloma Pinault once again accompanied her mother Salma Hayek to yet another premiere of the Marvel movie Eternals on Wednesday, October 27. Salma and her 14-year-old mini-me rocked sparkling dresses at the London superhero screening. The 55-year-old actress wore an off-shoulder glittering red gown, with black stripes going down it, while Valentina wore a black dress with white dots all over it, looking like a starry sky. Valentina's dress was very similar to the one she wore for the Los Angeles premiere, which she also accompanied her mom to. She completed her outfit with a pair of black high heels. Salma had posted a photo of the two together when they attended the premiere in LA and called her daughter the best Eternals premiere date ever, and wrote that she was a proud mama in a hashtag. She also wrote a very similar compliment to her daughter in Spanish. In the new photos, Salma also looked like a proud mom with her arm around her daughter. Related gallery. Eternals premiere photos: Angelina Jolie, Salma Hayek, Rita Ora and more. Many of the stars of Eternals have been bringing their kids to the premiere events, and it's really turned the whole movie's release into an adorable family affair. Salma's co-star Angelina Jolie has brought 5 of her 6 kids to multiple premiere events. She's posed on the red carpet with her daughters Shiloh, 15, Zahara, 16, and Vivian, 13, and sons Maddox, 20, and Knox, 13. In between premiere events, Angelina has been spotted with her kids sightseeing and shopping in Europe. Along with the premieres, Salma and Valentina seem incredibly close. When her daughter had her 14th birthday back in September, Salma penned an emotional tribute to the girl on her Instagram. "My precious girl, you are everything to me," the Academy Award-nominated actress wrote. "Blessed be the day you came into my life to shine your radiant light. Happy birthday, Valentina. Thank you for being you."